Here's Vegas Pro version 17, and the question is how to render just a portion of a clip. So here I have a longer clip, and let's say I want to render it out from that point till that point. So I want only this small area. How to do that? Well, come here up to this portion with the cursor. You have a double arrow on the right side of your cursor, and there simply drag with your left click. And that's it. You just created a so-called loop region. You can move that point to the left or to the right, both of them. And whenever you render, go here to this icon, render as. Select a codec that you want to use to render with. Let's say that HAVC. Okay, and here, render options. Make sure this one is checked. So if it's checked, it's rendering that portion which is selected, and if it's unchecked, then it's rendering everything. Okay, so render loop region only, and then click on render.